watching this video, you have just received your rope clamp machine from Ravenox. This is a quick video to show you what you should expect when unboxing your product. First off, you'll receive your product in a box like this. First, you'll notice this envelope with our logo, the name of the product on it. Inside, you'll find an instruction manual that'll tell you all about your product and what you should expect and how to use it. Next, you'll notice here's the hardware for the handle for the rope clamp machine. In this video, you will learn how to attach it to the clamp. Next is your handle for your rope clamp machine, which should be wrapped as such. Take it out. This is what your handle should look like unwrapped. These are the holes which you would run the same hardware through that bolt that are connected to the rope clamp machine itself. This package will weigh 45 pounds, so be extra careful when taking it out of the box. Make sure you get help if you need it, but it is compact. You can see we've unboxed our Ravenox rope clamp. The next step you'll see will be attaching the handle of the rope clamp machine using the hardware that was enclosed. First, you lift the portion of the handle that's attached to the rope clamp machine itself. You lift it upwards. As you can see, there are holes in this as well. You take your handle, which also has holes in it. You slide it onto this portion. It's like that. We take our bolt, which is right here, that's included. We're going to line up the holes here and here. As it is resting right now, the holes are not lined up. We'll slide it outward towards yourself. We'll line the holes up and we'll slide the bolt through, and then we'll attach it and tighten the bolts down. You can use an adjustable wrench. This one is 150 millimeter to maybe hold your bolt into place. And then I use a number 11 socket head to tighten the nut down onto the bolt and onto the handle.
Welcome to Ravenox in North Carolina. Today I wanted to show you our new rope clamp machines, and we use these to make finished goods like dog leashes and horse leads, anything that requires the rope to be clamped. So the first one is a really simple machine. I'm going to take some of our 5/8 inch twisted cotton rope, one of our 5/8 inch metal rope clamps, and a bowl snap, just to show you how we put this onto the rope. So you just slide it right onto your rope. Place the rope inside the rope clamp, as close as you want it to be clamped in. And then this is a two-step process, so what we're going to do is place the rope right underneath in step one here, and it's going to bend the edges of the rope clamp in, first part of the pressing process. Really easy. To finish it off, I'm going to move it to the second position. We have a rope clamp, completely secure. Our second model, the air compressor model, is even easier. And again, I'm going to use some of our twisted cotton rope, 5/8 inch. Thread on a swivel snap here. Again, place the rope inside the rope clamp. I'm going to place it in position 1, and you want to make sure you have your dies placed right in. And you're going to use the die set that corresponds to the size of the clamp that you want to use. So we're using the set that works for the 5/8 inch, and there are 2 sets depending on the size that you want to use. I'm just going to slide that right into position 1. And then you need both hands to operate this machine. If you use just one, it won't work. And that's a safety feature, so you don't have one hand in the way of the machine. So now I'm just going to press down on both. And again, it bends our rope clamp in. I'm going to move it to position 2. Same thing. And there we go. Completely secured, fully clamped. Both of these machines will work with all of our metal rope clamps and all of our metal hardware. Thank you very much.